Introducing the UltraView UHD Outdoor TV, a TV designed for outdoor living. Water resistant, making it great for by the pool. And sealed so dust and debris can't damage it. This fireside-friendly TV features an aluminum frame that won't corrode. And an industry-leading 4K screen delivering crystal clear images. So why can't I just use my indoor TV outdoors? When wet, indoor TVs provide a serious risk of electrocution. They are also easily damaged by dust and other elements. And they deliver a poor viewing experience in direct sunlight. Unlike the UltraView Outdoor TV, bright enough to be viewed night and day. So you can safely entertain outdoors without risk of shock or failure. The UltraView UHD Outdoor TV from Peerless-AV, driving technology through innovation.